Okay guys, we don't see any lights here. Should want the lights here, so no lights. So as you can see here that there is a light. So what we can do is take this out. So there is a clip here. Yes, that can do. And then for her light, so a little bit careful. Normally it should go. So this. Okay. There is a light. Oh yeah, happy days. And you will still cook it 1 minute. There will be a light. Yeah, that's good. Okay, thank you very much. That's it. Careful. Here you see the clips here, goes here, and you see the clips here, this one goes here. Yeah, that's good. Let's see that. It's good. It's good. 19 minutes, that's good.